Welcome to the channel. It's a beautiful day, and today I want to show you how to make a chicken chop suey. Very easy recipe, very simple to make. You know, all the recipes here on this channel are very simple and very easy to make. I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. All of our videos are food related for foodies such as yourself. Do enjoy the video. Alright, foodies, now that we have the chicken cut up, let's go ahead and season it. You want to use an all-purpose seasoning, something that contains black pepper as well. Toss it up. You don't want to over season because the soy sauce contains some salt as well. Soy sauce, I'm using Kikkoman soy sauce with about 30% less sodium, so you don't want it to be too salty. You're going to be adding some oyster sauce as well. Toss this up and you should be good to go.